Hey everybody, it's Sean here. Just showcasing a little demo for my Mod 5 project, or my final project coming out of my software engineering bootcamp. It's called Flexable, which is a workout tracking app, pretty simple. I wanted to create something that I could actually use because I'm kind of recently trying to get in shape. So I wanted something that could teach me how to work out, but also help me track my workouts. So to start off with, we've got this landing page, which I've got a button to play kind of a fun video that I made. I'm kind of mocking myself, but as you can see, it's kind of old timey.
This is Sean. He's out of shape.
Yeah. So you can watch that full video. It'll walk you through how to use the app. Um, but we get into a sign-in page, and if I would like to, I can sign up, which is just a controlled form using React. I've got these nice Material UI like cookie cutter components. I'm going to log into one of my default, or not default, but just dummy user or accounts. As you can see, it logs me in and immediately takes me to kind of a planner page. And I've added some exercises, things that you can see I've been planning my workouts. It by default starts on today's day and gives me every day of that week, so the 26th through the 1st. Um, as I'm going through my workouts, after I've planned them, I can check them off as, okay, yeah, I've completed them, and this basically sends a post to my backend Rails API. So, in case I haven't mentioned this before, the front end is built using React, the backend is built using Rails. If I want to add a new exercise, say I want to plan out my Friday, I can choose an exercise. It'll look through a list of exercises that I got from scraping the Google Fit kind of API page. Let's just say I want to add a shoulder exercise, so a pike press. And I want to say, okay, I'm going to do 10 or 4 sets of 10 reps. Great. It's been added. This is once again a post to my database, and I can go on, and if I want to delete it or I want to delete other ones, it'll also update the API or my backend, and I can check them as complete when I'm done. And that's really how it is. That's really all it is. I can go to other dates. I can go further in the year. I can plan on my workouts, as far ahead as I want, and return back to, my workouts. The other part was obviously this lets me plan it, but maybe I don't know what a pike press is, right? And so I would go to my learning center, which is just on the side tab here. It has all the exercises, their descriptions. So for me, it would be shoulders. I can look at pike press and it says this is a shoulder activating exercise where the body weight is pressed upwards from a V body position. And that's nice, but maybe I would like to see a video, right? So I've got this button, which basically goes to a specific link to YouTube, which does a query. It just searches for how to do a pike press. Um, and you'll see it takes a little bit of time, but you can then watch some videos on how to do that in case you didn't know. So that's the Learning Center. And I've got some just basic CRUD. Just you can update your user's account. Um, and so I can change my first name, last name, and all that stuff, or I can delete my account. And then I can log out. So really simple. I just wanted to kind of play around with React. I was diving into functional programming. I actually built this entire website using functional components and React hooks, which was new to me. And then I also dived into how to use Redux. So this website basically has a specific place where all of its state is kept, as opposed to if I didn't use Redux, you'd be passing props and up and down components. And I did that for my last project and it got messy. So I just wanted to see how, if I wanted to make a bigger project, how I do that. But yeah, that's the entire app. If you want to check it out, I'll provide the link to the GitHub as well as my blog post on it. But I hope that you guys enjoyed it, And I'll see you guys when I make my next project.